Question 19. Show that 2 minus 3x squared plus 7x plus 2 divided by x squared plus 6x plus 8 simplifies to a minus x over x plus b, where a and b are integers. First, I rewrite the expression in the form of fraction. So it will be 2 minus 3x squared plus 7x plus 2 over x squared plus 6x plus 8. Now we need to simplify numerator and denominator of this fraction. First, numerator. We multiply the coefficients of x squared, which is 3, with the constant term, which is 2, and we get 6. So 3 times 2 is 6. Then we write down all the factors of 6. The factors are 6 times 1 and 2 times 3. And between these factors, we need to find two numbers that when we add them together, we get the coefficients of the x, which is positive 7. And 6 and 1, when we add them, 6 plus 1 will be 7. So we can write down positive 7x as 6x plus x. Now we do the same thing for denominator. We multiply the coefficients of x squared with the constant term, which is 8. 1 times 8 is equal to 8. Factors of 8 are 8 times 1 and 2 times 4. Again, we need to find two numbers, and when we add them together, we get the coefficients of x, which is positive 6. 2 and 4 are these numbers. So 6x can be written as 2x plus 4x. I do this for our fractions. So I'll get 2 minus 3x squared plus 6x plus x plus 2 over x squared plus 2x plus 4x plus 8. Then we group the terms into two pairs, 3x squared plus 6x and x plus 2. Then factor out the greatest common factor from each pair separately. Greatest common factor of this pair is 3x. So I factor out 3x times x plus 2, and the greatest factor of this pair is 1. So plus x plus 2. I do the same for denominator. So between these x squared plus 2x, x is the greatest common factor. I factor out x, will be x times x plus 2. And between these two terms, I factor out 4, will be 4 times x plus 2. Now I factor out x plus 2 on numerator and denominator as well. So we get 2 minus x plus 2 times 3x plus 1 over x plus 2 times x plus 4. I can cancel x plus 2 from numerator and denominator, and I get 2 minus 3x plus 1 over x plus 4. The common denominator between 2 and this fraction is x plus 4. And I get 2 times x plus 4, which will be 2x plus 8, minus 3x minus 1 over x plus 4. 2x minus 3x will be minus x, or negative x, and 8 minus 1 will be 7. So it will be 7 minus x over x plus 4. 7 minus x is in this form. So if we assume a as 7, so it will be 7 minus x over x plus 4. A is 7 and b is 4. So our expression can be written as 7 minus x over x plus 4.